What's up guys? For today's video I have an Adidas unboxing. Now I did unfortunately cop these from Journeys, and I say unfortunately just because I feel like I've been having some beef with them at my local spot. They're just, I don't know, I don't want to get into too much detail. But well, my friend actually copped some NMDs from Journeys, and they were both size 9.5, but one fit like a 9.5, and if you put them like right next to each other, this one was so small that he couldn't even get it on his feet. It was probably about an 8. So there is some defects in the Journeys pairs, because we went to a different mall like an hour away from that mall, and they had the same defect on their NMDs. So if you are going to cop some NMDs from Journeys, be very cautious. Make sure you keep the receipt because you may have to return them. So watch out for that. Now from the title and the thumbnail, you probably saw already that I did cop NMDs. So I am a little nervous, but this is not the pair that he got. So hopefully there's no defects in this, or I'm gonna be really upset. And I always hate sending stuff back too. So let's hope I can return this in store if it is a defect. But enough with the negative thinking, because there ain't no negativity over here. We're gonna just hope that there's no defect in this. Now I got some coupons right off to a bad sign, because I see something else in here that I didn't even order, so that's kind of weird, but we'll see what that is in a minute. Now they did send me a $5 off of 25. Now if you do get these, for the heads up, they do tell you these do not work on the NMDs, but that's why I bought it online, because they do work online. They just don't work in store. For if you get like the 15% off for your birthday like I did, I picked these up with that. It did not work in store, so I just went online, typed that in, and I got the 15% off, which gave me like about $20 off of these, and I got free shipping. Now first up is this Journeys box. It says Journeys hand flip flop, but it's really, yeah, there's nothing even in this, so I don't really know about that. Maybe they were trying to get rid of these boxes, so a free box, I guess that's cool. Here's what I picked up right here. It's the NMD R1, just a standard NMD box. And I did get this in the red colorway. I don't know the exact colorway, but when do I know the exact colorway? So let's crack this open and see what it is. Oh dang, and these do look really nice. It looks kind of small, but I did listen to myself, because what I did was I went to the mall and tried them on in my size. They fit great, so I ordered them online in my size, because real stores suck. But here they are right here. Dang, these are actually really nice, and looking at the camera's not picking them up very well. They might look good on camera, but they look even better in person. These are actually really dope. Size 10, let's make sure they're both size 10, because you know my bad luck. Both size 10, so that's nice. These actually feel like more, I know these are the mesh ones because it says, but these are like, I feel like more higher quality materials or something. But alright, I'm gonna throw these on. Let's make sure there's no defects. These are really nice. Not really feeling it with these denim. This is probably like a black pant only shoe. Dang, yeah, these are really nice. I actually love these. But yeah, the camera doesn't really do them justice. They look so nice in person. Like this red is like super nice, and it doesn't even feel like mesh. I know it is mesh because it said that, but now like I always do my videos, when I tell you if I would recommend the product or not, I would definitely recommend these. Now be cautious, like I said, buying them from Journeys. I guess I just got lucky, because me and my friend did try on 2 pairs of NMDs that were defective, and even the employees confirmed they are defective. But yeah, I took the risk. High risk equals high reward. These are sick. I really love these. Definitely would recommend picking these up if you can. The price isn't even that bad, because they were $130, and I got my $20 off with free shipping. I think that's like 112 bucks or so. But if you did enjoy the video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you check out my other videos, and I'll see you in the next video. So thanks for watching.